Good morning students. Now in this video we will discuss chapter 1 of your civics book, that is understanding diversity. Diversity means we are of different type, like we speak different languages, we belong from different religious and cultural backgrounds, and we work in different way. Like here 3 pictures are drawn by students. They are different from each other. One blank box is given for you to draw one picture. It will also be different because each one of us is having its unique drawing style, and we don't look exactly like each other, and we speak different languages, we have different religious backgrounds and cultural backgrounds. So now there are some questions given in blue box. So if these questions will be asked from you, you will answer these questions differently. Like if I ask you, when I go out I like wearing, so you give different answer. Some will say I like wearing cap. Some will say when I go out I like to wear jeans and top. Some person will say if I will go out I will like to wear a nice pant shirt. So answer may be different because each one is of different taste. So next is making friend. So some people will have same answer for some questions and different answer for other questions. So while making friends, we like to make friends those who are a little bit similar to us in likings. Like one story is given here. In picture you are watching 2 boys. As you know that when we walk through the roads, when light turns red, we stops there, and some people comes there to sell something. Some are selling balloons, some are selling newspapers, some are selling some eatables, like that. When boy on cycle stops at red light, daily one boy comes near him and tries to sell newspaper to him. So boy on cycle uses that road to go to his school, and second boy regularly comes to him and tries to sell newspaper. And whenever they met, they exchange some talk with each other, and when the boy who is selling newspaper is from poor family, he's never managed to go to school because his mother was selling newspaper there. And when he grew up, earlier he was selling newspaper with his mother. When he grew up, he started coming alone to sell newspaper. And the boy that is on bicycle is belonging from good family, and he regularly goes to school. And while exchanging their talk, the boy who is selling newspaper asked him his name and told him his name. He told that I am Samir, and what is your name? Then boy on cycle told him that he is also Samir. Means the name of both boys is Samir, but their culture and religious background is different. Boy on cycle is from Hindu family, and the boy who sells newspaper is from Muslim family. And the boy who is selling newspaper told him that you are Samir 1 and I am Samir 2. So the boy who is on bicycle is Samir 1, and the boy who is selling newspaper is Samir 2. One day Samir too was sad because his mother was at Meerut and there were communal rights in Meerut. So he was worried about his mother. So there are many differences, like Samir Ek is able to speak two languages, English and Hindi, and Samir too is able to speak only Hindi. Samir 1 is from Hindu family, Samir 2 is from Muslim family. Samir 1 is rich, Samir 2 is poor. So there are differences, but they are friends now. And like that, we also have friends who are different from us, but we sit with them, but we watch that their food is of different style and celebrate different festivals. Their clothes are different, like and people who living in different areas, belonging to different culture, they have their different lifestyles. And here is a picture of one story that some like reading or hearing stories and of adventure, some like hearing story about different animals, some like stories about ghosts. So that is also different, and it shows that we are diverse in different aspects. In similar way, there is diversity in India. India is country of many diversities. We speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions, but actually there is something that in which we are similar, means we are Indians. How do we explain diversity? Means how diversity comes. A little more than 100 200 years ago, before train, aeroplane, bus or car become a part of our life, people travel from one part to another in ships, on horses, on camels, on foot. So they went from one place to another in search of settlement, or they traveled. Some people adopted the lifestyle and food style where they went, and some of their habits were adopted by other people. So in this way there was mixture of diversities. But now we will study about that diversity is on basis of geographical areas also. For example, living near the sea is quite different from living in mountainous area. So people living in different geographical areas have their different clothing and eating habits, and their kind of work is also different. They do different activities that we will study by case study of Ladakh, that is in cold desert area of Jammu and Kashmir, and next is Kerala, that is coastal area in south of India. So in next video we will discuss the diversity on basis of geographical area.